Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie. So today I've decided to go out. Today I've decided to come out and check for myself things, like look for things here. Yeah. So since quarantine, since COVID-19, I've never been out here. Like I've never come out to see things, and so today we're gonna enjoy ourselves. Yeah, I know it's late. Yeah, it's late. Okay, so I don't know what to say, but I'm just saying whatever I'm gonna say. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie, and please guys, remember to like this video, share and subscribe. Yeah, you're welcome back. And this is crazy, this is weird. So I want you guys to check where I am. Like there's no people in here, there's no like, look, it's freaking crazy, and I just like it. It's kind of like no one is there, and it looks empty, but when you go down this mall, it's actually not empty. Are actually in Garden City, and if you want a shop, you can get there. And so guys, go with me and let us check out the whatever and whichever is going on here. So guys, what I've been wondering, I wanted to say about anything that's like, mask inanichosha. It's actually inanichosha, but we need to wear a mask to just to help ourselves and get ready and prepare for ourselves. You know what I'm talking about. As you can see behind me down there's a lot of people, but up here there's no people. I'm actually enjoying this, like walking around here alone, which is kind of cool, and I do love it. And yeah, sorry, some people are taking selfie, but I just want to show you something. This is like, I've never been to this part of this side. It's actually pretty amazing. Don't mind the noise, but just enjoy with me. So the words I can say, like if you look down there, there's a lot of people, a lot of guys. So I actually came here with my friends, my family. Yeah, not my friends, my family, but it's cool. We're getting there. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this, because it's been long since I've been out here, out of these places, to just to explore things. Quarantine, it's pretty like, yeah, it sucks. It sucks. So you can see like this part here doesn't have people, but anyway, it's cool. Yeah, we're still getting them, and as you can see, people look at me like, yo, you're crazy, but anyway, that's cool. That's cool. See, like the way I said, this part, it's actually empty. It's pretty empty. Like the way I'm saying, like this is really empty, and see those people that are going there, they're still looking at me like, yo, you're crazy. You're talking by yourself. But anyway, this part is empty, and I like it. I didn't know that I was going to film today, because it was crazy. Things were just like going here and there, and getting the time to film wasn't on my plans. But yeah, it's cool. I'll show you something. This actually is not working. This is not working. So there's a place I want to film, and Oh my goodness, I found something in Garden City. I want to show you something. I want to show you cool places. Like, this is really dope and it's empty. Let me just show you. You see? You see? You can come and chill here. See, the park is empty. Pretty much empty. See? You can come and chill here. And you can even come and chill here. You see me? Yeah. So, okay. Like I was saying, sorry. This is a place to be. This place is really dope. This place, like, if you just want to chill and you don't want to go down there with people and everything, with the noises, just come up. Just come up, because let me just take you around these places. Let me just walk you and show you how dope this place is. It's actually dope and it's really empty. Look how dope this place is. Quarantine, I can't breathe. So guys, we're just checking this thing out, and I don't know what to say, but I'm really loving this. Just walking around, chilling by yourself. Pretty much amazing. Yeah. See, we gotta go down there. So I was just like, you see, this place is empty and I'm up. Who else is suffering like me? Like, I can't breathe while I'm having my mask on. I really can't breathe. So it's really difficult to breathe while I'm really trying so hard, but we're just getting there. It's for our safety. So it seems time is running, and yeah, I gotta go, but let me just talk to you for a few minutes before I go. I've run away from all the, what is it called, the noise. So today we're doing something different, because most of the time you guys will see me like doing skincare routine, DIY facials, those, but today I just decided to step outside and look the world for myself, look something different on my own. So guys, there's this thing I want to share with you. Like, is there anyone out there, like any YouTuber, that is suffering from, like, YouTube is deleting your subscribers, YouTube is reducing your subscribers, you don't know why? Please comment down below and tell me why do you experience that? Do you experiencing like something like that YouTube is not? But anyway, it's okay. So yeah. And then another thing is that, like, guys, sometimes you feel like, I don't know if it is me, like I feel like I should stop and maybe I should quit doing YouTube. Why? Because I don't see myself growing. I see myself just stuck from just where I was, and if I just move like 1 inch ahead, and then you're like, should I just quit? Is this my whatever? Is this my calling? Is YouTube my thing? Actually, sometimes it's frustrating, but let me tell you, don't give up. We're here to stay, yo. We're here and we're gonna make it. Doesn't matter that the time that you're taking, doesn't matter how long, but just know that one day you're gonna be up there. We're gonna be up there and we're gonna celebrate, all of us, right? You know, it's frustrating. You feel down when you wake up. Like for me, I do check my YouTube account like every day. I do check my analysis like oh my goodness, I'm shrubbing again. Like every day, checking my subscribers, checking my yeah, I do check, and then you feel you. What I see is like I'm not moving forward. I'm just like stuck to where I am. Like I know my videos sometimes, like I look at my videos as like what was I doing, what am I doing, but you know, gotta do, just starting, and I'm just like 3 months old, and I feel like this. What about those who have been like 4 years, 1 year to 5 years there? How do they feel? But anyway, I decided like I'm not going to give up. Neither I'm not going to quit YouTube, but I'm just going to provide you guys with good content. And yo, you gotta subscribe, yo, please don't let me down. Please subscribe. Subscribe and share the video, share with your family. So today, as you can see, I told you like in Garden City. I've never been here. Like the upper place, yeah, but it's actually dope. You see, let's explore this place, guys. As you can see, ta-da! The outfit of the day. See me? We're walking, and then you see like people are just. It's pretty cool. It's amazing. It's worth it. Yeah, as you can see. And I was just walking, trying to walk by that side, but I see people. Look at these lights moving. Look at these lights. I do like lights like this, but yeah, it's like I'm taking the video. It's so long. Yeah, as you can see me. Oh my goodness, guys are walking by while checking me, as checking me like, oh god, are you normal? You're talking by yourself? No, I'm not talking by myself. I'm talking with my camera. So let me show you another thing. So see, it's like since quarantine, like this is what has been happening. But yeah, so how are we gonna save this? Okay, let me show you how pretty it is. Check it out. Look at this place. Look, it's dope. Let's go and check the view on this place. The view. Look at the view up here. Look at the view. Look at the view. Let me take it closer here. Look at this view. Look at the view. It's pretty, right? It's really pretty. So guys, we gotta go. Look at this place. Guys, check it out. Check the view. Look. As you can see, the view from here, it's really pretty. It's beautiful. So guys, why do you okay, you just anyway, so I think I should end the video here, because you guys, we have done, at least I've done something. I feel good with whatever, anything that I do, like even if it's not that good, I just feel good. So remember to like this video, share and subscribe, and tell me what you want me to do next, cause I've been trying to get out and do something different. So gonna end the video in this light. So bye. Remember to like this video, share and subscribe. Okay. Oh no, this what is happening? Okay, so guys, okay, let's just end it here. I call it a day. Bye. See you later. See you another time, and see you when we see